What is up, YouTube, and welcome back. Yes, back to another Pure Vet video. So today's the day. I'm very excited. It's finally happening. I'm putting on my headers. Woo! Let's go. 2018, here I go. Woo! I got everything in the back, in the trunk. So I have everything right there. That's the headers right there, and the mid pipe, everything that you need. But anyways, we're gonna go meet up with my friends, or we're gonna go install this, and I am so excited, you guys. You guys don't know how excited I am. But I'm gonna keep you guys with me. I'm gonna take you guys with me. I love you guys. Thanks for the 300 subscribers. It means a lot. No, 300 is not a lot, but to me, it's a lot. You know, it's 300 people that actually like to watch my content, and I hope you guys keep subscribed. I hope I get more subscribers, and I hope you guys enjoy everything, because this is a hobby for me that I like doing, and I like showing you guys everything that I do. So thank you guys, and now let's go put my headers on. Woo! Ooh, these new Mustangs are nice. Look at this gray one. Ooh, that's so nice. We're here with the man of the hour, Luis Godinez. So we just got to Ford dealership, and I'm out of focus. There you go. So we just got to Ford, and I'm about to install my headers. I'm just waiting for Luis to give me the go that we could put the headers on. I could put my car in there, but he's on the phone with his daddy.
Welcome to another episode of Pure Bay 101. We back in the Mustang, little Fiat over there, you see it. And he runs.
Yeah, can you focus that? Hold it. There you go.
And so Revio shit, this is the last time he's gonna be sounding like this.
Give me a little rev, a little baby rev.
Little 1,000 RPMs, you know, a little teaser. There goes the go.
No,
and we'll see you after. Go no more. It's 5.0 now.
For real. Oh yeah.
Oh, you're gonna hear it now.
Lower?
Yeah. It's gonna be hard.
Put the ramp on.
No Mustang owner shit.
Come on, bro. Ooh. Saw how close that was? Look at that. Look at that tucking in there. Firebox. So it's like.
What's up?
What's up?
Yeah.
Yeah. Should be good right there, I think.
Oh, you. All these parts.
I got hella fucking clothes.
This is over $1,000 in parts.
The tour.
What the fuck? The big ass box of that little thing.
I thought it was some headers. And he's still gonna be slower than that LS engine. That's a damn shame.
O2 sensors.
$1,000 and he's still gonna be slow.
The big boys right here.
Dildo right here.
Exclusive.
That's it?
He got two. He got another one over here. That's it.
That's it. Let me come here and take a picture of this real quick.
Damn, bro. What the fuck you been doing?
What is that?
Off-roading or what?
Yep.
You realize the cameras are still on and it's still here, right? Still here. It's almost
Hey, what is
What are you doing? A cat back system?
No, headers. Cat bag is done already.
Okay, concentrate. Look at that mustache. Oh, what you draw?
You don't need that.
Weight reduction.
Look-
Yeah, weight reduction.
Look at that pedo mustache. He's carrying on.
Is that Mark? The skills. How long you been working?
Just this thing. That's a compressor, right? You didn't add water?
No?
Damn.
Supposedly these cars with the like full bolt-ons, you push like 450, 460 to the wheel. That's not bad. But the new ones, the 2018s, 430 to the wheel stock.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wait, the new one?
Which is hella good for stock.
Check on. Oh.
What's up? It was that easy?
Here.
The other one was a fucking bitch.
No, because it's just a motor mount, not the header.
Ah, okay. You see it. You see it. All times. What is that? The motor mount?
Motor mount. Oh. Bracket.
The bracket? So, headers are not on because we failed miserably. There was one thing, we didn't have time, and then we had to take out, what did we have to take out? The AC compressor? we had to take the AC, and we didn't want to do that much work, so we're just gonna save it for some other day. So you guys gotta stay tuned and see when we actually put it on. I went back to stock, and I mean, we'll see when we put it on, but stay tuned.